Hey guys, good morning, good evening, BOTCHES. Before you watch this video, please like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. That means that button right there, click it. It means like. That means you like it. That means you at least like me. And then subscribe, and then hit that little bell thing so you get notified.
Thank you for watching.
God damn it, I'm fucked up. God damn it, I'm fucked up.
Good morning, good evening, BOTCHES. Welcome to another episode of this shit. Friendly neighborhood Pyro speaking. And today is the first day of my son going to school. What the fuck? I came here so I could take him on his first day, and I'm so excited. He's asleep right now. Hey, good morning. Muchacho. You ready? You ready to go get this lunch meat? Come on. This ain't okay. This ain't no time to get... Come on, get up.
No.
Yes.
No.
It's time to go. We got food in the microwave getting ready. Come on. Right there. Come on, inchworm. We got the oatmeal right there. We got the clothes ready. Let's go. Come on. I see you. Are you trying to hide under the step? I'm above the step. That means I see you.
You can't. My head.
Come on. Come on, sleepyhead. Get up. It's a Tuesday morning. Get up.
No.
You gotta go to school, so get up. You sleepyhead. Get up.
Don't wear that.
It's Tuesday morning and you gotta go to school. Get up. Get up. Come on, man. Let's get this lunch meat. Let's go.
Don't want me to eat nothing.
Let me look at your outfit. Oh, let's do this. Let's make you look like you. Oh, there you go. Or something. All right, go get you another bite. Let's go. Hurry, come on. I'm gonna put those in the backpack, okay? All right, put the shoes on. Back door. I think I'm gonna have to walk you in. All right, let's get a look at him. Let's get a look at him. I can't get a look at him if he's running. Come here. Come on. One of these days we're gonna walk. Come on, baby. Maybe I should button your top thing. Look at the schoolboy. Oh. All right, guys, we're ready. We're ready. Right? We're ready to go get this lunch meat this morning. Really? We're gonna get this lunch meat. And we love you all like play cousins because we're gonna have a great day today. Right, baby? Right? Are you hiding? Is your seatbelt on?
Yes.
Just checking. I'm looking. Good job. Yep. Good job. Yay, it's time for school. Woo! Woo, first day! Yay! 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 Look at the excitement. So much. Wow, thanks.
I was in the back seat.
I'm gonna miss you, man. I'm gonna see you later, okay? Yes?
I'm not walking in there by myself.
Well, no, I'm coming with you. You ready to go accomplish the world? This is the first step of you living your dreams. You know that, right?
Are we even in the park?
Are you listening to me?
Yes, are we even?
What did I say? What did I say? This is the first step. Repeat after me. This is the first step.
This is the first step.
For living out
Now.
the rest
The rest
of your dreams.
of your dreams.
Of my dreams.
Of my dreams.
All right, let's go get this lunch meat.
Daddy.
What?
Is this even a parking spot?
Oh, maybe we're supposed to come in your PE clothes.
Huh?
That's why on your first day come in PE clothes. That's weird. Oh, crap. What we got in the bag? Let's go change. All right, so we have to change clothes. Come here. Let me look. We have to change clothes because today is PE day. right?
See how it's dangerous?
Huh? Yeah. Yay, first day. Come on. Come on. You messing up the picture. All right, back in the car. I'm not gonna lie. It's really like, I'm still sad. I mean, it's not like, I don't know why parents act like that. Even myself, like, grow the fuck up. Like, he's coming back. You gotta deal with him later, then you're gonna want him to come back. I don't know, but it still just feels like, let's just let him go. On this first day, and I'm just really sad. He looks so cute. I don't know, maybe something about when you drop him off, the face he makes is weird. It's just like, it's like he's not sad, but it's like, bye, don't let them take me. Weird.
Come on. Wait, what is this?
It's like a pencil.
The pencil that you got me from the box?
Yes.
This is boring.
How is homework boring?
Because I have to do all this work.
Well, that's what happens when you live life. You gotta do work. How you think I feel?
Look, Daddy.
Pay bills. I'd rather do that than pay bills. You ain't got some bills to pay?
You would say it's boring.
Bills are more boring than that. Homework time. Oh no, they got homework already? That's dope. Best school ever.
It looks like this thing is about to break.
It's not about to break.
No, did you hear that?
Huh?
Did you hear what it just cracked?
These are your A's?
Yes.
See, this is not boring. You can do this quick.
No, this is boring.
You already like finished with the first line.
This is not a nasty A. Look. That's a nasty A.
Well, why did you do it like that? I don't think we had no erasers since you left your box.
I do have erasers in there.
Wait, I don't. Go get an eraser.
No, I don't have it.
How you don't have an eraser?
It's in my box, I think. Now, I think I have to do this.
Do the little A's, baby.
No, my teacher said I can't do that.
Why would she tell you not to do that?
Because there's nothing there. That's what she
But
told me.
look, do you see this line? You see big A's and then little A's. So you do little A's too. And we're going to talk to her about that tomorrow. I need some little A's. Wednesday. So it's due tomorrow. This is what you do?
This homework is boring.
This is your first homework ever. How would you know? You got to get ready, man. You're getting older now. You 5. It's time for homeworks.
No.
Yeah.
She's going to be laughing at me when I get big. But even if I go back to my school.
Even your uncle has homework. Even your uncle has homework. Everyone has homework.
No.
Yes.
No.
You want to ask him when he get here?
No. Homework is boring.
No, it's not.
But it takes you forever.
Homework makes you smart. You want to be smart, then you want to be stupid. This was due Tuesday. Why didn't I see this?
What?
Ooh, you're going to be in trouble.
What?
I'm going to whoop your butt.
What?
Because you were supposed to do this homework on Tuesday. But we're going to do that next. And we're going to tell Miss Hayes tomorrow that we're sorry. Oh, my phone's ringing. Gotta go. Bye, guys. Bye. You gonna say bye to him?
Bye.
Love you all like play cousins.
Tell him that I told him homework is boring.
Oh my God. Deuces then.
Deuces then.
Deuces then, home skillet.
You guys go away.
And we love you like play cousins.
We love you like play cousins.
Please like and subscribe.
Hi, my name is Pyro, and I'm an alcoholic. I mean an addy because I mixed it with an anabolic.